So, on number 1, now on these I'm going to just set them up, because I'm assuming you can type things into a calculator and get answers, right? So on number 1, area, we know, is, for a rectangle, length times width. So, area equals length is 4.5. My width is 5.7. So when I multiply 4.5 times 5.7, I get my answer, whatever that is. Perimeter. Does everyone know? Perimeter is adding up all the outside sides. Okay, now real quick. Some people might only add 4.5 and 5.7. Only 2 sides, but a rectangle has 4. So if it helps you, make sure you label all the sides. Okay, so all 4 sides. So what's 4.5 plus 5.7 plus 4.5 plus 5.7. Okay? Cool. By the way, y'all see these little guys right here? Multiplying. I want to hear the song again? Okay, so anyway. Now, number 2, area. No, actually first, height. What's the height of this thing? Okay, whenever you see that dashed line, you know you got your height right there. Okay, I'll give you one. There's, you got one answer. Easy, 9. But area, and again, most people mess this up because they forget to divide by 2. Please don't forget, a triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? Okay, now, what's the base? So base is 8. The height is 9, right? So can you do 8 times 9 divided by 2? Yes, you can, right? Perimeter. Now, when you're doing perimeter, don't just add every number you see, right? I don't care about that 9 anymore. That's not a side length, right? So again, I'm going to just add up all the sides. So I got 8 plus 8.5 plus 6, okay? Could you add those up and give me an answer? I believe it, okay? 3 sides for a triangle. Don't add the height. That's not a side, okay? Now, on number 3, what's that shape called? Number 3 is a what? Trapezoid, right? So, trapezoid formula, right? Base 1 plus base 2 times the height over 2. So my base 1 and my base 2. So 4 plus 8 in parentheses times the height. Now the height is not 7, right? It's out here. Times 5. Could you type that in and get an answer? I believe in you, right? Now once again, for perimeter, is everyone with me? I don't care about 5. 5 is not on the edge. It's a height, okay? So you're only adding the 4 sides that are actually on the edge. So 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, okay? So could you add those up? Hypothetically speaking, okay? Now, last one. This one can be kind of tricky. What is this? Well, first of all, this is called an regular polygon, right? Everyone looking up here in the back? Okay. So, regular polygon. So here's my formula for that regular polygon. Big A equals little a, big P over 2. Now, area equals, what is that little a? What does that mean? What's that word? Not height. Okay, so, apothem, you could say it that way. The proper way is apothem, however you want to say it. Honestly, I don't care. But basically, it's from the center of a polygon to a midpoint. Not the vertex, but the midpoint. So, here to a midpoint, look at that. That's better. Okay, 2.8, that's my A. Okay, so A probably, wink wink, will be on there for you. Okay, but we got to figure out P. P is not just 4, right? If it's regular, which it is, all the sides are 4. So it's 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So 4 times 6, right? There's 6 sides. 4 times 6. You can figure that out, right? Actually, we'll figure this one out. What's 4 times 6? 24. Okay. Now, find that area. A, little a, is 2.8, right? Big P, we just figured out, 24. Can you do A times P divided by 2? Right? So 2.8 times 24 divided by 2, right? And you could multiply those and divide by 2 and get your answer, yeah? Okay, that's your quiz. Any questions on any part of this? So I know you're not just copying down and they're going to ask you later, well, that happened last period. I don't understand this. Well, I didn't just explain it. That's true. All right, well, anyways, so that's your quiz, basically. We're going to do that today. Make sure you have something from here, on here, for today, and then we're going to pass that up. So while you're getting that down, I'll give you a few minutes. Get this down. Make sure you have your name. Don't be like last period. Make sure your name is on it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pass out last week's quiz, so we can go over that real quick and take this week's quiz.